Across the OECS, early grade teachers are shifting reading instruction to a balanced and integrated approach to ensure that all students read, learn, grow. Let's take a look at what's happening inside our classrooms.
Teachers are using a variety of books in the classroom, which is so important for children to find content that they are interested in.
We should have our young students reading every day, both silently and to each other. Independent reading time in the classroom is so vital.
So what are the children learning as they read?
They are learning about everything: life, family, community, the world.
We have a community of local authors in the OECS producing culturally relevant books that can be shared with our students.
This is how our students are growing. We are creating a love of reading, a strong vocabulary, critical thinking skills, and a wide range of interests.
Early grade teachers are collaborating and sharing information to improve reading in the OECS.
As a result of this collaboration, teachers from across the OECS are implementing innovative ways to engage their students in exciting online learning opportunities.
This message is brought to you by the OECS USAID Early Learners Programme, funded by United States Agency for International Development. For more information, log on to www.oecs.org/ELP.